In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily share your PowerPoint presentation during a Microsoft Teams meeting. Whether you host weekly check-ins or join occasional briefings, knowing how to present cleanly in Teams makes a big difference. So let's get started. First, make sure you're already inside your Microsoft Teams meeting. It sounds obvious, but being in the meeting with your content ready will save you from scrambling later. Once you're in, look along the bottom of the screen for the meeting controls. In that toolbar, you'll see the Share button. Click it to open your sharing options. A panel will pop up with several ways to present: your entire screen, a specific app window, or a browser tab. For a polished presentation, choose to share a single window or tab rather than your whole screen. This narrows the view to just what your audience needs to see and avoids accidental pop-ups or unrelated notifications. Before you select anything, make sure your PowerPoint file is already open on your computer. Having it open in advance makes it appear in the list of available windows right away so you can switch smoothly. If the file isn't open, take a moment to open it now, then return to Teams. Back in the sharing panel, select the Window option. You'll see thumbnails of applications that are currently open. Click the PowerPoint window so only that presentation is shared with the meeting. After you've selected your PowerPoint window, confirm by clicking Share. As soon as you do, everyone in the meeting will see your slides. You can navigate through the deck as you normally would, using your keyboard arrows, the on-screen controls, or your clicker, while your audience sees only the presentation. If you need to reference your notes or check the next slide, arrange your windows before you start, or use PowerPoint's normal view so you can move confidently. Keep your cursor off the slide when you're not using it to avoid drawing attention, and pause briefly between slides to ensure everyone is keeping up, especially if someone's on a slower connection. And that's it. You've successfully shared your PowerPoint in Microsoft Teams. This simple approach keeps your meeting focused and professional without exposing unrelated apps or your desktop. I hope this walkthrough helps your next presentation run smoothly and reduces stress during remote meetings. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new upload.